Even the top online marketing and search engine optimization firms have been caught cheating this past year as Google keeps changing the game. Well, there's a local web marketing company that has stayed ahead of the Google worldwide machine. Site Strategics. Online at sitestrategics.com. And this is Edge of the Web Radio. Here's your host, Aaron Sparks.
Hey, welcome back to The Edge. Going to finish up this show today talking about something that's pretty cool, actually. It's Google's RankBrain. I mean, we've seen headlines about Google reveals new machine learning algorithm. Google is turning its search over to artificial intelligence, or the machines are taking over. Run screaming for the hills. That's probably the latter right there. It's all going to be Skynet. You know, it is what it is. Or the Borg. Google Borg.
Just keep in mind that the Google search is declining still. So
that's true.
Slowly.
Yep.
So they got to do stuff like this to try to.
They do
keep up.
So we got a article from Denny Sullivan, the Denny Sullivan's in search engine land, and I think I tweeted this out last month, and I wanted to pull this back around as for a segment of the show. It's called RankBrain. Okay. Google released information that they were using a machine learning artificial intelligence system called RankBrain to help sort through its search results. So we wanted to tell you a little bit about this and what it does. The RankBrain is Google's name for this machine learning artificial intelligence system that's used to help process its search results. And this was reported by Bloomberg and also confirmed by Google. All right, so artificial intelligence, we've seen in the movies, right? But the fact of the matter is, there's so many things that are already learning. In fact, I mean, your Google experience learns from you. Right. It's called Bayesian statistics. It'll actually, as you perform a particular path, it's doing predictive analysis on what it thinks based on categorization of information you want, whether a local pursuit or a national pursuit, or what you click on gives information back to Google of what you see as valuable based on your search queries. Okay, so they've developed this technology, and RankBrain actually is the evolution of this, so to speak. It's a new way for ranking search results. It's part of the overall search algorithm. Okay, the algorithm is named Hummingbird. They're the last iteration of the algorithm that Google uses. It is Hummingbird. For years, the overall algorithm didn't have a formal name until mid-2013. So RankBrain is a part of that, and that's our understanding here. Just like Hummingbird's the overall search algorithm, just like a car has an overall engine in it, right? RankBrain may be like the oil pump at the fuel pump or something like that, a radiator, this, that, and the other. Okay, so it's a component of the ranking. Okay, so what it does is it actually is watching signals. All right, so the signals that Google is using are it helps determine what the how to rank these pages. For example, it reads the words on a web page, so the words are actually a signal, right? And some of the words are in bold. That might be another signal that's noted. So you've got all these different variations of italices, different type of coding signals, and it certainly doesn't stop at a website. It's also inbound signals. So now the algorithm that Google uses to measure website rank may have 200 different major ranking signals. Okay, in fact, there was an article I tweeted out here just a while back of the top 200 true signals that we know of from Google. It's an incredible article, but in turn, there may be 10,000 variations or sub-signals that RankBrain actually picks up on. All right, so there's major components, and out of those components are subcomponents that RankBrain is processing. And it gets down, and you've seen the periodic table of SEO success factors before. We'll throw that on the screen if you're watching the YouTube video. So it's a cool thing to be able to see all the different contributing factors, but it is a very important third piece signal inside of the algorithm, as Google shares with it. RankBrain is one of the hundreds of signals that go into an algorithm that determines what results appear on Google's search page and what they're ranked. In a few months, it has been deployed. RankBrain has been the third most important signal contributing to a result of a search query. So the point is, what does it exactly do? It measures those subsignals. All right. So they're training the system even more efficiently to actually see what you're broadcasting out there.
That's great.
It really is, but we are going to be beholden to the evolution of RankBrain. I guarantee you. So check out the article that we post here. It's good for you to know about these components. Certainly go check out the article that we talked about today, the Search Quality Index. It's a fantastic review that you should have for your own website. See all this at edgeofthewebradio.com. See you real soon. Check us all out. And thanks for listening. And we'll be back around next week. And I hope you had a happy Thanksgiving. Talk to you real soon. Bye-bye.
Edge of the Web.